Most people think stronger legs just mean bigger muscles, but the right lower body exercises do far more than that. They can rebuild your knees, unlock your hips, improve your balance, strengthen your core, and even make you move like a younger version of yourself. The problem is that most people spend years doing the wrong exercises and never experience these benefits. In this video, I'll show you the lower body movements that can completely transform how your body looks, feels, and moves. And one of them is so effective that many people notice the difference within just a few workouts. Before we begin, comment "strong legs" below. And if you want more science-backed workouts that build real-world strength, hit subscribe and let's get started. Exercise 1. Duck walk. Duck walks aren't just playground exercises. They're one of the few movements that can completely transform how your body looks, feels, and moves. Most people think duck walks are only for burning out the legs. They're not. The first thing they improve is your ankles. Years of sitting, restrictive shoes, and repetitive movement patterns turn your ankles into rusty hinges. Duck walks force your ankles through a deep range of motion with every step. Your calves stretch, mobility improves, and tight tissues begin to loosen. Within a few weeks, you'll notice deeper squats, smoother movement, and less discomfort when walking or climbing stairs. As your ankles improve, your knees benefit immediately. Most knee pain isn't actually a knee problem. It's often caused by stiff ankles and weak hips. Duck walks teach your knees to track properly over your toes while strengthening the muscles that stabilize the joint. Over time, your knees feel stronger, more stable, and more resilient. Then your hips begin to change. Modern life turns powerful hips into stiff hinges. The deep squat position stretches tight hip muscles while forcing your glutes and hamstrings to work together. This creates useful flexibility, mobility combined with strength. The result is better posture, easier movement, and more power in everyday activities. Duck walks also challenge your core. In the bottom position, gravity constantly tries to pull you forward. Your deep core muscles must work continuously to keep you balanced. This develops the kind of real-world core strength that helps with lifting, carrying, and protecting your spine. And because every step requires balance and coordination, duck walks improve the way your entire body moves. They train what experts call proprioception, your body's awareness of where it is in space. Better balance, quicker reactions, and improved coordination all come from this single movement. Duck walks also build useful strength. Most gym exercises make you strong in specific positions. Duck walks make you strong in positions you actually use in real life, squatting down, carrying objects, moving through awkward angles, and maintaining balance under load. They also build mental toughness. When your legs are burning and every step feels harder than the last, you learn to keep moving anyway. That resilience carries into every other area of life. To get started, perform 3 sets of 10 steps, resting 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Focus on staying low, keeping your knees over your toes, and moving slowly with control. Exercise 2. Reverse Nordic curl. Most people think reverse Nordics are just a quad exercise. They're much more than that. The biggest benefit is eccentric strength, the ability to control force while muscles lengthen. As you lean backward, your quads work overtime to resist gravity. This strengthens the exact movement pattern that protects your knees when walking downhill, descending stairs, or landing from a jump. Research consistently shows that eccentric strength plays a major role in injury prevention. Reverse Nordics also strengthen the hip flexors, improve posture, and build incredible control through the entire front side of the body. Every inch you lean backward forces your core, glutes, and quads to work together. The movement also builds confidence. At first, even a small lean feels difficult. A few weeks later, you'll be moving through a much greater range with complete control. That visible progress reinforces the idea that your body is becoming stronger and more capable. To perform it correctly, keep a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Avoid bending at the hips. Lean back only as far as you can control, then return to the start. Beginners should perform 2 to 3 sets of 5 slow repetitions, focusing on quality rather than depth. Exercise 3. Squat. Squats transform nearly every system in your body. They don't just train one muscle group, they create full body coordination under load. Your quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, core, and even your lower back all have to work together in a single, controlled movement. That level of integration is what makes squats so powerful compared to isolated exercises. Your glutes, in particular, benefit enormously. Years of sitting, driving, and low-activity lifestyles leave them underactive and weak. Squats force them back into action, helping restore proper hip function. As your glutes strengthen, your posture improves naturally. Your lower back experiences less strain, and your overall athletic movement becomes more efficient and explosive. Squats also build real core strength. Not the kind that comes from endless crunches, but the kind that actually stabilizes your spine under pressure. Throughout every rep, your trunk has to resist collapsing, rotating, or tipping forward. This constant stabilization creates a strong, functional midsection that carries over into lifting, carrying, bending, and even simple daily movements. But the benefits go far beyond muscle. Because squats recruit so much muscle mass at once, they place a significant demand on your cardiovascular system as well. Your heart has to pump harder to supply oxygen to your working muscles, and your breathing rate naturally increases. Over time, this improves your overall conditioning, blending strength and endurance into one movement. They also play a key role in maintaining bone density and joint health. The controlled loading through your hips, knees, and ankles signals your body to strengthen bone tissue and keep your joints resilient. This becomes especially important as you age, helping preserve mobility, independence, and long-term physical performance. And perhaps most importantly, squats build mental toughness. Every challenging rep forces you to stay focused when your legs burn and your body wants to stop. Learning to control your breathing, maintain form, and push through discomfort builds a kind of discipline that carries over into everything else in life. For beginners, start with 3 sets of 10 to 15 bodyweight squats 3 times a week, focusing on depth, control, and proper form before adding any external weight. Over time, that foundation becomes the base for real strength, resilience, and long-term physical transformation. Exercise 4. Lunges. Lunges might be the most practical lower body exercise you can do. The first thing they improve is balance. Every lunge requires you to support your body on one leg while controlling movement through space. This strengthens your balance system and improves coordination. As your balance improves, your hips become more mobile and your knees become more stable. Lunges stretch tight hip flexors while strengthening the muscles responsible for stability and movement. This combination helps reduce stiffness, improve posture, and enhance overall mobility. They also develop tremendous core strength. Your body constantly wants to tip, twist, or fall during a lunge. Your core must resist all of those forces to keep you stable. And because lunges mimic movements you perform every day, walking, climbing stairs, bending down, and standing up, they build strength that directly transfers to real life. To get started, perform 2 sets of 8 lunges per leg 3 times a week. Focus on control, full range of motion, and proper knee alignment. These 4 exercises, duck walks, reverse Nordic curls, squats, and lunges, do far more than build muscle. They improve mobility, stability, strength, balance, posture, and resilience. Master them, perform them consistently, and you'll build a lower body that doesn't just look powerful, it performs that way in every aspect of life. Most people spend years chasing bigger muscles while ignoring the movements that actually keep the body strong, mobile, and pain-free. But these exercises do more than build your legs. They strengthen your knees, unlock your hips, improve your balance, and help you move with confidence in everyday life. Stick with them for the next few weeks and you'll notice the difference every time you walk, squat, climb stairs, or get up from the floor. Now, I want to hear from you. Which exercise are you adding to your routine first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and watch the next video on screen now to discover more exercises that can help you stay stronger, healthier, and more athletic for years to come.